11:42 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from 15 miles northeast of Put-in-Bay to near Avon Lake, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: whiteout conditions with near zero visibility associated with intense bursts of heavy snow and gusty winds leading to blowing snow. Wind gusts greater than 35 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. Potential impacts to portions of I-90, I-71, I-480 and State Route 176 within Cuyahoga County and far eastern Lorain County. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Lorain, Elyria, Parma, Lakewood, Cleveland Heights, Strongsville, Westlake, North Royalton, North Ridgeville, Solon, Avon Lake, Twinsburg, Warrensville Heights, Macedonia, Highland Hills, North Olmsted, Garfield Heights, Shaker Heights, and Maple Heights. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions. Reduce speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a snow squall warning for